Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my classic shell Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. So starting from the beginning, we are going to make chains in the multiple of 6 plus 2. I'm going to make 152 chains for my example blanket. So like I said, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 6 plus 2, and I made 152 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. We're now going to start our sequence. You're going to skip 2 chains. Into the next one, you're going to make 5 double crochet. Skip 2 chains, and then into this next one, make a single crochet. So this is going to be our sequence going forward. You're going to skip 2 chains, make 5 double crochet into the next one, skip 2 chains, and make a single crochet into the next one. So you're going to skip 2 chains, make 5 double crochet into the next chain. Skip 2 chains, make a single crochet into the next chain. Skip 2 chains, make 5 double crochet into the next chain. Skip 2 chains, make a single crochet into the next chain. So you're going to repeat this sequence of skipping 2 chains, making 5 double crochet into the next chain, skipping 2 chains, and then make a single crochet into the next chain until you reach the end of this row. So this is how the end of my row is looking. And that is how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make 2 double crochet. We're now going to start the sequence for this row. You're going to skip 2 stitches into the middle double crochet of this previous 5. You're going to make a single crochet into that stitch. Skip 2 stitches into this next stitch, which is a previous single crochet. You're going to make 5 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches into the next one, make a single crochet. Skip 2 stitches into the next one, make 5 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches, make 5 double crochet into the next stitch. You would now repeat this sequence of skipping 2 stitches, make a single crochet into the middle double crochet of a previous 5 shell, then skip 2 stitches and make 5 double crochet into any previous single crochet until you reach the end of this row. So I've reached the end of my row and I have 3 stitches left. You're going to skip 2 stitches like we had been doing, and then into this last stitch, which is a single crochet over here, we're going to match it to the beginning of this row where we made chains and then 2 double crochet. So into this stitch at the end of your row, you're going to make 3 double crochet into that stitch. to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. So row 3 and row 2 are going to be very similar. We're going to be doing the same sequence in the middle. Really the only difference is they begin and they end differently. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. So now we're going to be starting our sequence again. You're going to skip 2 stitches, and into this next one, this next single crochet, you're going to make 5 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Into the middle double crochet of this next 5, you're going to make a single crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, make 5 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, make a single crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, make 5 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, make a single crochet. So now you're going to start repeating this sequence of skipping 2 stitches, making 5 double crochet into any previous single crochet, skipping 2 stitches and making a single crochet into the middle double crochet of any previous 5 shell until you reach the last 3 stitches of this row. So once you get to the end of your row and you have 3 stitches left, these chains over here are going to count as a stitch. These were 3 double crochet from our last row. You're going to skip 2 stitches like you had been doing. Into the top of those chains, you're going to make a single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket is looking. I ended up making 90 rows total. I tend to make around a throw size, which is about 55 inches by 60 inches. And that is going to be how to make my classic shell Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.